Hello, this is the new the facelift 3 series. Today we have installed the NBT system, come with live traffic information. Yeah, this is his head unit, and with a small screen, the smaller head unit. Actually, the one we installed is the bigger one. You see the bigger one, double ding, and this is the bigger screen. Yeah. And not only this, but also we installed the front parking sensor. This is the 318. Okay, the facelifted one. You see the lights. It's a facelift one. Here it is. Okay. We install reverse camera, original reverse camera. Yeah, and the front parking sensor, which this car don't have. It's 2016 F30. Turn on the volume a bit. Okay, and the second thing is we install this NBT system, and come with a connected drive and navigation with RTTI. Let's show you how it works. Yeah, this is the RTTI traffic information. Yeah, traffic reports, and we can see from here RTTI. Can you see that? Yeah. Take a close look. Okay. And inside the cluster we can see the navigation instruction, the arrow. Yeah. So if you want to see the traffic report, you can go here. You can see Jurong Industrial Area, Ayer Raya Expressway. You can see there's something wrong. You go inside, you can see roadworks. Okay. But the whole map, the whole condition, traffic condition inside Singapore, you can zoom in a bit. You can see the whole situation on the center, right? You can see. You can also move our cursor to find the place which is a bit jammed. You can move up a bit. Yeah, you can see this is yellow color. Right. Okay. Green color means condition well.